Have you ever looked at someone working 12 hours a day and thought, if anyone deserves to be rich, it's them? Then why are millions of hardworking people still living paycheck to paycheck? And why do some people seem to work fewer hours but build more wealth? The answer isn't as simple as most people think. Meet Alex. Alex wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. He works hard. He accepts overtime. He rarely takes a day off. Everyone at work respects him because he never complains. When payday arrives, Alex feels relieved. His bank account finally looks healthy. But within days, the money starts disappearing. Rent, bills, groceries, fuel, coffee, food delivery, a few online purchases, streaming subscriptions. None of these expenses seem expensive. But by the last week of the month, Alex is checking his bank account again and asking, where did all my money go? So he reaches the same conclusion many people do. I need to work harder. But that's where the biggest mistake begins. Working harder doesn't always make you richer. It often makes you more tired. Here's why. Imagine two buckets. The first bucket is income. The second bucket is wealth. Most people spend their lives trying to pour more money into the income bucket by working longer hours. But they forget something important. The wealth bucket has small holes. Every impulse purchase, every forgotten subscription, every unnecessary upgrade, every emotional shopping decision creates another tiny leak. You can keep earning more money. But if those leaks stay open, your wealth never grows. Now meet Ben. Ben earns almost the same salary as Alex. He isn't smarter. He doesn't work longer hours. But he has one simple habit. The moment his paycheck arrives, he saves a small part first. Then he pays his bills. Then he spends what's left. Alex does the opposite. He spends first and hopes to save later. Most months, there's nothing left to save. One small habit. Two completely different futures. Here's something most people never learn in school. Hard work creates income. Smart money habits create wealth. Both are important, but one without the other is never enough. Think about planting a tree. If you eat every seed today, you'll never have a forest tomorrow. Money works the same way. If every dollar you earn disappears the moment it arrives, your future never has a chance to grow. So before asking, how can I work more? Ask yourself a better question. How can I keep more of what I already earn? Because the people who build wealth aren't always the ones who work the hardest. They're often the ones who make better decisions with every paycheck. So, if earning more money isn't the answer, what is? Let's go back to Alex. A year later, Alex gets promoted. His salary increases. He's excited. He thinks, finally, my money problems are over. But a few months later, something strange happens. He moves into a better apartment. He upgrades his phone. He starts eating out more often. He buys things he couldn't afford before. By the end of the month, his bank account looks exactly the same. Have you ever wondered why? This is called lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, your spending quietly grows with it. You don't feel like you're wasting money. You're simply getting used to a more expensive lifestyle. Now imagine two friends who both receive a $1,000 bonus. Alex spends most of it on things he's wanted for a long time. A new smartwatch, new clothes, a weekend trip. Ben thinks differently. He enjoys a small reward. But he saves part of the money and invests the rest in his future. One bonus. Two completely different outcomes. Here's another trick your brain plays on you. After a stressful day, it whispers, you deserve a reward. So you order expensive food, buy something online, or grab another coffee on the way home. Each purchase feels small, but together, they quietly drain your paycheck. Companies understand this very well. That's why you see messages like, limited time offer, only 2 left, 50% off today. They're designed to make you act with emotion instead of logic. Your brain stops asking, do I really need this? And starts asking, what if I miss this? That's how impulse spending begins. Now think about this. Everyone has only 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, you can't create more time. But your money can keep working long after you've finished your job. Imagine planting a small apple seed. For months, it looks like nothing is happening. Then one day, it becomes a tree. Years later, it produces apples every season. Money works the same way. Small savings may not look exciting today, but with time, they become something much bigger. That's why wealthy people don't only work for money. They also make their money work for them. The goal isn't to work yourself to exhaustion. The goal is to build habits that keep helping you, even when you're resting. Now you know the truth. Working hard is important, but working hard without smart money habits is like filling a bucket with holes. So, what can you do instead? Here are 5 simple habits that can help you build real wealth. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, save a small part before spending anything. It doesn't have to be a lot. Even 10% is a great start. Most people save what's left after spending. Successful people save first and spend what's left. That one habit can completely change your financial future. Habit number 2, use the 24-hour rule. See something you want to buy? Wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. If not, you've just saved yourself from an impulse purchase. Patience is one of the easiest ways to keep more of your money. Habit number 3, give every dollar a job. Don't let your money wander. Before the month begins, decide where every dollar will go. Some money pays bills, some buys groceries, some goes into savings, some builds your emergency fund. Money with a purpose is less likely to disappear. Habit number 4, invest in yourself. The best investment isn't always the stock market. Sometimes it's learning a new skill, reading books, taking a course, improving your communication. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you create. Knowledge keeps paying you for the rest of your life. Habit number 5, think long term. Before buying something, ask yourself one simple question. Will this make my life better next year or just today? That question can stop many unnecessary purchases. Remember Ben? He didn't become wealthy because he earned millions. He became wealthier because he made small, smart decisions every month. Those small choices added up, and yours can too. Real wealth isn't about buying the newest phone or driving the most expensive car. It's about sleeping peacefully because you have savings. It's about handling unexpected bills without panic. It's about having choices instead of constant stress. That's what financial freedom really looks like. So the next time you think, I just need to work harder, remember this. Hard work earns your paycheck. Smart habits decide how much of that paycheck stays with you. You don't have to change your entire life today. Just start with one habit. Save a little. Spend more carefully. Learn something new. Small actions, repeated every month, create big results over time. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one money habit you're going to start this week? Write it in the comments below. Your answer might inspire someone else to change their financial future too. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple money lessons that actually work, don't forget to subscribe, and join me, Finn, in the next video. Remember, you don't become wealthy by working harder alone. You become wealthy by making every dollar work harder for you.